Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nebula, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this look. This Valentine's Day look. It's nice, pink, sparkly, super cute for a date. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to prime my face with this PUR correcting primer. I have this eyebrow pencil by L'Oreal, and the shade that I'm using is brunette. So I'm gonna start out by brushing my eyebrows. Going to take this concealer by Maybelline, and it is in 148. I'm also going to do this to the top too. So usually, like every day, I don't do concealer on the top, but I'm going to be doing like a full face of makeup.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put this on my eyelid. I have this Urban Decay eyeshadow. Kind of blend it in with my finger. Okay, so this is kind of like tacky, I guess, so it will help the eyeshadow stay on longer. So I have this James Charles, Morphe James Charles palette. So I'm gonna go in, this is so big, with this color to kind of have like a smooth transition. Now I'm going to go in with this color here. It's purple. I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl concealer, and it's in Natural Tan T500. I'm going to take this, put it on my brush,
Yeah. No.
I'm gonna go in with the baby wipe and clean it up.
Why you set the pool like that? When you have spices.
I don't know. Okay, I'm about to use these sparkles that I got. They're gold sparkles. So I'm going to use this brush that I was using for the eyeshadow.
No.
Now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline eyeliner.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation, Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I don't know. This is in shade 8F. Oh no, wait. Shade 440. Back with this concealer. I'm going to be going in with this Fenty Beauty matchstick in Espresso. I'm going in with this Law of Nature Cosmetics setting powder. It is a talc-free setting powder, so it's like a mineral setting powder.
Be quiet.
This cream blush by Fenty Beauty. Now I'm gonna go in with this big fluffy brush and kind of brush away and blend out the setting powder and the blush and all of that. Going in with this Urban Decay All Night all-nighter setting spray. I'm going in with the color Quartz.
Yeah.
It's a slight difference if you can see. I'm going to be using this highlighting glow kit by Anastasia. And I'm going in with bronze. And I'm putting that in the corner of my eye. I'm still gonna go in with this Anastasia glow kit.
No.
And going with bronze again. And I'm using this brush. Oh, it's by Anastasia too. 823. And I'm gonna put some highlighter. I'm going in with this lip liner. I got it off of Amazon. I don't know the brand, but so we're going to line the lips. And I have this lipstick from the lip bar, so I'm just gonna use a little because I'm going for like a ombre look. Yeah.
No. No.
So I want them a little bit more glossy, so I'm gonna go over it with the lip gloss. Alright, so this is the final look. So yeah, I think this would be really cute for, you know, going out to Valentine's Day dinner. Yeah, the sparkle on the eye, you know, someone they just looking in your eyes. They, I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. So I changed my lipstick to a pink lip, and I think I like this better. What do you guys think? Alright, so this is probably the final look. Yeah. Alright, see you next time. Bye.